Hey guys, today I have the RevAir reverse hair dryer that I'm going to try out. As you can see, my hair is long and curly here. Hopefully at the end it will be dry and straight. I'm going to start off at the setting 2. Says it's best to do that. Now, my hair is already sectioned, so I'm going to feed it in here. Slowly, right to the root. Hold it for about 10 seconds. And then undo it. Now it's still wet. So now I can go to a number 3 because this setting isn't too hot for me. Okay. Now let's try number 3 setting. Okay, almost dry, but not quite. So I'm going to go to number 4. I do have a lot of hair. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's dry, and it's fairly straight. So now I'm going to take down the next piece of hair. Okay. There we go. This one's very wet. Hold it a little bit longer this time. And there we go. That's pretty amazing. It's dry. It's not all the way straight yet, so I'm going to try one more time. And that one's pretty good. Now I'm going to fast forward. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm halfway through. Big difference, hey? Now I just have to section this side up. I do mine like I do with my flat iron. It's just easier for me that way, but... There. 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 Yep. There we go. Over this side this time. I'm getting much better at it now too, now that I've been doing it a little bit. It is amazing though how easy it is. It saves so much time. My hair isn't bone straight like it would be with a flat iron, but I think if I went over it again, it would get a lot straighter, and already I've saved so much time. My hair takes 25 minutes to blow dry alone. Look at that strand, that was so fast. Now this one's a little thick, so I'm going to split it up some more. Over here. Okay. There we go. Okay, I'll see you in a minute when we're done. Guys, I'm just about done. I just have to pick some stuff up real quick. So I got a little frizzy from all my clips, so touch it up a little bit. See how nice it comes out? I do have to be careful. My long layers do like to get caught up in here. If I put my ends first, they kind of spin up at the bottom and not out on me, so I have to be careful with that. This is the first time I've used it though, so I guess I'll get used to it over time, what to and what not to do, but I'm amazed. It's been about 15 minutes, and my hair is completely dry, and it's fairly straight, as you can see. I mean, normally my hair would be all over the place after I blow dry it, and it's really watching. Make sure you guys check out my review and find out where you can buy your own RevAir, and make sure you enter down below to win one. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.